Magic Mike Likey here with an effect, which may initially seem like a card effect. Really, it involves E.S.P cards, which were invented by Dr. Rhine for his work at Duke University. Now, what he had essentially were about 5 different designs: circle, square, etc. And we're going to have 5. I'm going to give you 5, and I'm going to keep 5. So the circle represents wholeness. It's a really, really nice symbol of wholeness. It also represents the number 1. So 1 for you, and the circle for me. Next, we have water, and it also represents the number 3, if you will, a flow, the color blue, which is also very, very nice. And really, more than anything, it represents wholeness as well. I'm going to give you the water symbol, and I'm going to take another one. I'm going to take the third one, which is a square, and the square also represents the number 4. And the number 4 is a very, well, traditional, non-moving kind of symbol, if you will. And the color red represents action, even though there's not a lot going on. So there we go. So we're going to use these 6 cards: the circle, the water, the square, and now you get the cross. And the cross, as you might have guessed, is the number 2. And the number 2 is sort of a stopping, if you will. It's a halt to any action. But at the same time, there's a balance because it is an X or a cross. And finally, the star, and it represents the whole universe. Da Vinci's man standing there with his arms and legs spread out. And it represented for many the universe, wholeness, etc. So there we go. We've got these 5 cards for you and 5 cards for myself. And what we're going to do is we're going to mix yours up. We're going to shuffle, 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 so that we have no clue which one matches with what. And we're going to try to match, let's say we'll match the star for starters. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'd like you to call out in your mind 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A lot of you have said 5. We're going to move these ones off to the side. Let's see if this one matches the star. And it does. And that's a miracle in itself, to actually match one. Well, what happens if we try a little something and all the symbols change to stars? Snap our fingers again, and the remainder of the 5 cards have all changed to stars.